Welcome to the Made in Bloomsbury podcast. I'm here with Sonakshi. Hi, Sonakshi.
Hi, Michael.
I met Sonakshi at UCL Hatchery a couple of years ago. She's on to doing bigger and better things. Sonakshi, could you tell the audience a little bit about yourself?
Yep. So, hi everyone. My name is Sonakshi Senthil, and I'm the co founder of a health tech startup called YourCue. At YourCue, we're revolutionizing cardiac care through medical grade innovative wearable technology. I've done my
Oh,
background from biotechnology and personalized medicine and been twice awarded as top 100 Asians in UK Tech.
fantastic. Sounds very inspirational. But I'm curious, what inspires you to do what you do?
Um, so, we all have the right to health to live, right? But what I find is quite not available to everyone is right to quality healthcare. Like it just goes without saying anything that if you have the right to live, you should have access to quality healthcare to maintain that life, and that's what gets me going in the morning.
Okay, so thinking um, of assumptions and in your field, what is the common assumption in your field that you've challenged or and how did that lead to innovation?
Mm-hmm. So I think the most commonest challenge that was like the thing that exists a lot in the medical world is if something functions fine for 100 years, it's functioning fine. Why do we have to challenge it or question it or improve it? And one of those things is vital sign monitoring. For years, we've been sending nurses to patients' beds using different instruments to kind of monitor the patient's vital signs every 4 hours. We have the tech now to monitor patients continuously without missing a single second, which would allow us to kind of detect anomalies at the earliest possible signs. And studies have proved that we can therefore have medical interventions up to 6 hours earlier than current standards. So why not change that? But this change that comes about involves a lot of change with people's mindset, with their practices, and their medical opinion. So that's one of the biggest challenge that we have had to overcome. Sorry.
So no worries. It is winter time, so I also had a bit of a cold a couple of weeks ago. But going back
Yeah.
to your device and health, and what does your device do and monitor?
Right. So we have a finger-based device that can collect vital signs such as heart rate, blood oxygen, skin temperature, um, car- ECG, and blood pressure trends.
Mhm.
And so we're using all of these vital signs to kind of detect when a patient has an out-of-hospital cardiac arrest or if they go into a critical condition within a hospital setting. The goal
Mhm.
being that when is it that we go visit a hospital, right? We go when we are sick, we can't take care of ourselves at home, and we need that additional help. So if you're not being continuously monitored for your vital signs in a hospital, then I think that's basically what we're trying to change and help people with.
Nice. Okay. I actually do monitor my blood pressure from time to time, and I've had one ESG done in my life, which is very scary. They put these plugs on you, and I guess your
Yeah.
device would be less intimidating in that sense. And so, could you tell us a little bit about your aim or the mission statement that you believe in?
Right. So the mission that statement that I truly believe in is making quality healthcare affordable and accessible for everyone. Um, I think it's very important that all stratas and all economic like everyone from different economic societies can afford the same level of healthcare because we're all humans and we all have the right to the same kind of living at the end of the day. There shouldn't be a divide with based on where we come from, or the kind of financial wealth that we come from. And so that's the most important and the most closest mission statement to heart.
Wow, it's very noble of you, and I hope um, it goes fantastic for you in this year and year so. So yeah, and thank you so much, Sonakshi, for your time today and for sharing your thoughts and ideas and business to our audiences.
Thank you, Michael.